Hi friends, Chitra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to plot the option chain in the trading view. So this is the trading view. So we can see how can we plot the option chain in the trading view. That is, most of the index traders use the option chain to access the current option price trading. Okay, swing traders will be using the far month contracts to monitor their positions. So accordingly it will change, right? So this indicator is designed by me and traders can make use of it. So we can see how can we add those indicator in the trading view. So this is my customized indicator. Okay, you can get access to this indicator in my trading view profile. So here we can see that TCLC Trader Chitra learning class NSE option chain. And also I will be sharing the link under the description box. Now click on this. Okay, we can close this. So we can see here this is the option chain. All right. So here we can see this is the option chain. Now we can see this is the settings. Now click on this. Okay, so under inputs we have so many options. I will explain each one to you. So now this is looking very small. So now we can change the font size. Now here it is a small. Okay, I'm changing that to normal and click on OK. So now it has changed to the font size. So now it is visible. So now we will see the settings. Okay, so under inputs, the spot symbol. Okay, when you click on this drop down, okay, here we can see the all the 4 indexes I have added, that is Banknifty, Nifty, Nifty and mid cap. So currently it is showing the strike price of the Nifty. Okay, so I have enabled Nifty. So we can see this is the Nifty strike price 24,300, 24,400. All right. And when you click on Banknifty, it will change automatically. That is 51,000, 51,100. Okay. Again, this is the FinNifty. So FinNifty also, it will change to the FinNifty. So this is the mid cap. All right. So now click on OK. Okay, so here in this option chain box, here in the center we can see the strike price. So this is for the Nifty. All right. Okay, and the current market price on the left hand side it is for the call and the right hand side it is for the put, that is CP. Okay, expiry is first, that is 1st August 2024. Here we can see the spot price. Spot price will be changing. So this is the strike price, current market price and the difference, and the price open and what is the VWAP value and what is the volume for the call and put. It is mentioned. So here this option chain box is for the Banknifty. Okay, so I have explained all the boxes, that is on the left hand side it is for the call option and the right hand side is for the put option, and this is the strike price. Okay, so here we can see the 2 colors, that is red and green. So why this is red and green means if the price is, that is particular strike price which is trading above the VWAP, means it will be green in color. Okay, and if the particular strike price is trading below the VWAP, means the current market price which will be showing in red in color. Okay, and here we can see this yellow color, that is yellow box. This means that is the ATM strike price, that is at the money. So now we will see the settings of this particular indicator. Okay, the spot symbol is Nifty. So the reference strike price here it is 24,800. Here we can see that this is 24,800. Okay, so now we can change this to 24,500. Okay, so the interval here I have mentioned it is 100. Okay, so if you select the 24,500, it will also change here to 24,500. So totally there are 11 strike prices. So 24,500 will be taken as a reference. So above 5 strike prices will be plotted and below also 5 strike prices will be plotted. Okay, the interval is 100, means 24,500, 24,600, sorry 400, 300, 200 like that, and after that 24,600, 700, adding 100. Okay, so if you are changing this to 200, okay, so it will take 200 again, that is 24,500, then 300, 100 like that. Okay. So this is the expiry day and month, year. Okay, so this is the current current week expiry, that is 1st August 2024. So the next column is the expiry day, month and year. That is the current week expiry is 1st of August 2024 for the Nifty. Okay. So we can know if you want to see the current market price or the strike price, how the prices for the next expiry, we can change the expiry day. That is next expiry is 8th August 2024. So here we can see that the price also changed. Here we can see the expiry changed to 8/8/2024. Okay. So according to the spot, this will price will vary. Okay. So under the input, so if you do any mistake, so I will show you how that mistake will be plotted here. Okay. Under expiry date, so the next week Nifty expiry is 8th. So if I'm choosing that as 7 or 5, okay. Here we can see that is data is not available, so NAN will be plotted. So if you do any mistakes, in case of reference strike or interval or expiry day, any number, if there is any mistake like this, we can see that is no data won't be there. So now we'll see for the Bank Nifty, the spot symbol is no Bank Nifty. So if we change here this which strike price or which index we want to see, we can change the spot symbol here. So I have selected it as Bank Nifty because we have seen no Nifty before. So the strike price, that is reference strike price, is 51,500. We can see here 51,500 is ATM. Interval is 100. Okay. So the next expiry for the Bank Nifty is 7th August 2024. And we can see here the 51,500, that is at the money put premium is 391. So we can see 51,500. We can see here. Okay. 51,500. We can see the put premium as 395. All right. We can see here. Okay. So it is showing as 395. Okay. Current market price. Here it is changing. 398, 396. All right. So likewise, we can see for the call also. So why this will be helpful in your trading? By looking into the spot chart, you can keep this option chain box in your trading view, and by looking into the strike price, you can choose the which strike price you are going to take by looking into the current market price, either call or put. You can choose easily. So while looking into this, current market price and the price is trading above VWAP or below VWAP, we will get an overall idea whether the price is on discount or whether you can, which strike price you want to choose, whether you want to choose call or put. You will get an overall idea. So that is the purpose of this indicator. All right. So the next third strike price is Nifty. So we have to change here the spot symbol to Nifty. Okay, so which strike price or which index you are going to look into, you have to change the spot symbol to the particular index. Okay, if you are looking for, if you are trading Nifty, you have to change here to Nifty, or if you are trading Nifty, you have to choose here Nifty. Okay, so the Nifty spot price is 23,425. Okay, so here I am changing. Here we can see that the ATM, that is reference strike price, automatically it will be taking as 23,400. That will be plotted yellow in color. Okay, so I'm going to change this to reference strike price as 23,500. So we can see that that is changing here. See, it got changed to 23,500 as reference strike price, and above above 5 strike prices will be taking, and below also 500 strike prices. So which strike price we are taking? Above 5 strike prices and below also 5 strike prices. Here also the interval is 100. Expiry is 6th August 2024. Okay, the next is the mid cap Nifty, that is reference strike prices. Here we have to change that to mid cap. Okay. So we can see that is changing here. The spot will be changing here to mid cap. Okay. So here also the same scenarios, like 11 strike prices will be there. This reference strike price, it will be taking it as 12,900. Okay. And after that, dashboard location is top right. So I have chosen as top right. It should be on the right hand side and it should be on the top. And here we can see the drop down menu, top left, top center, middle left. According to your preferences or your way of trading, you can choose that. Middle right. If I click on middle right, okay, and click on OK, it will be changing. See, it has changed. So according to your preferences, you can change. Okay. So bottom right or no, top right. Top right is here, and top left. If I choose top left means it will be going to the left hand side. Okay. So currently, and after that font size I have shown you, it will be tiny, small, normal, large and huge. So according to your preferences, you can change that also. And here the colors, ATM colors. So the which strike price you are choosing, that will be according to the current market price, which will be the ATM, that will be yellow in color. So if you don't want this yellow color, you can change any color. So I'm going to change this as pink color. So that is changing to pink. Okay, so that is the ATM strike price of which index you are going to choose. And the ATM color, that is, I have taken it as green color. This also you can change accordingly. Alright, now click on OK. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.